Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to look at rhombus. Okay, so again, by the end of this video, you should be able to tell me what's the difference between a rhombus and a trapezium and a parallelogram. Okay, look at rhombus, trapezium, and parallelogram. So I'm going to start with rhombus first. Okay, in the previous video I talked about parallelogram. Today I'm going to talk about rhombus. Okay, basically rhombus is a four-sided figure, and a four-sided figure we have all the sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. So the opposite sides are parallel. Can you see it's a rhombus? Now, another thing about rhombus, is that all the angles inside will add up to 360 degrees. Now, the properties of rhombus is the same as parallelogram, which is opposite angles of a rhombus, they are equal, and each pair of angles between the two parallel sides also adds up to 180 degrees. For example, this one plus this one is 180 degrees, this and this is 180 degrees, this side and this side is 180 degrees, this side and this side also 180 degrees. And opposite angles are the same. Okay, it's exactly the same as a parallelogram. But the only difference is that a rhombus has all sides are equal. So can you tell me what is it similar to? Okay, so it is similar to square, correct? Okay, but I'm going to ask you this question. Is a rhombus a square? Is rhombus a square? Okay, think about it. Now, again, I'm going to explain you a little bit more here. So when I say AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD, everything is the same. And like I said, the angles at the side will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, let's look at this example. Again, this is a rhombus. So you know that opposite angles are the same. So you can see that this angle is 124. Therefore, this will be 124. And so, what do you think this angle will be? Okay, if you can apply the alternate angle, you will know that this is 28 degrees. So you can take that 180 minus 124 equals to 56 degrees. 56 minus 28, you also get 28 degrees here. Okay, because these two this 180 minus 124 minus 28, you will still get here. Okay, so what can you tell me about this triangle? If you're able to tell me that triangle is isosceles, yes, you are right, because it's 28 degrees and this side is also 28 degrees. Okay, let's practice. I'm going to pause here. You write this down in your notebook and give me the answers by tomorrow. Okay, the next time when you see me. Okay, these two page. Okay, now I'm going to move on to trapezium. Okay, what are trapeziums? Okay, trapezium is a four-sided figure in which only one pair of opposite angles are parallel. Okay, in a trapezium, each pair of angles between the parallel sides add up to 180 degrees. Okay, there is no such thing as the angles are the same. Okay, only thing is that the parallel side, can you see it's parallel? This is parallel, so that means this and this is adding up to 180. This and this also adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, so let's give you an example here. So I said that this and this add up to 180 degrees. Why? Because of this parallel line. So you must see where's the parallel line. You look at the angles there. So what do? You can just take 180 minus 62 here. Then you get the answer. Minus of 56 minus 40, you will get angle Z. Okay. So I'm going to pause here. You take your textbook out. Okay, this is page 137 of your textbook. I'm going to give you an example for this number 17. Then you're going to do number 18 and 19 yourself in your notebook, and you can hand it to me tomorrow. Okay, the next time you see me. So let's see again. What did I say? I said that in a trapezium, the angles in between the two parallel lines will add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, these two will add up to 180 degrees. These two will add up to 180 degrees. But this two is not adding up to 180 degrees because this two side is not parallel side. So again, when you see the parallel angle, draw out the line and you know that the angle between the two will add up to 180. So what is angle KLM? You will get 180 minus 154. You should be able to get the answer. I'm not sure why it's not working here. Okay, and here you should get 180 minus 118. Then you should be able to get the answer here. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. This 18 and 19, you will do it yourself and hand it to me. Okay, I'm gonna end my video here. Hope that you know the properties and you're able to apply all these properties in a sum that I'm gonna give you. Okay, bye.